All right. Well, we made it to Jaden's house earlier, and we're on our way to go get hay. Truck started having some issues, and now we're in a construction zone. The sending unit in the rear tank is apparently bad. Is kind of what we're going with, because it reads a quarter, but she ran out of juice, and the front is plumb empty. So,
and also running out of juice.
Yeah, we ran out of fuel, and we haven't even made it to pick up the, 12,000 pounds of hay. This should be fun. I should have recorded all of that. That would have been fucking gold. The YouTuber in me hopes this doesn't work. The realist in me that doesn't want to call my father-in-law and say, hey, I need your truck after all, wants this to work. That ain't doing fuck all. Good thing it was your fuel, Jug. I mean,
okay, so we're gonna need to find a funnel.
I ain't holding it, but it'd work.
Ooh, touching tips.
All right, hold it. I don't want to.
I'll just do
that seemed very intentional.
I don't know what you're talking about.
I hope you have AAA.
I do. He's standing right next to me.
That's the problem. I rescue him. And this is the truck that we usually use to rescue each other. This would be a bad deal if we have to call my father-in-law and be like, hey, go get that trailer. And then you're gonna also have to break the lock off of it.
Well, no, we'll just have him come by here, grab the key.
And you. Because I don't have access currently to that facility. How many things broke in the fuel system right now?
All of it, apparently.
Funnel isn't overflowing. Is the front tank indeed full?
There's no fucking way. Take this and we're gonna try and start it again?
Keyword being try. I love how it's as soon as we latched the hood, it ran out again. This is a hell of a spot to have to leave a truck if we need to. See what she does.
Well, it ran just fine last time too.
Let's see if we can make it to the end of the construction where there's actively workers. That'd be fun. So front tank still reading fuck off. I think your gauge works. I don't think your filler neck works. She does. The audio. Is it actively trying to die again?
Definitely not. Why does it sound like the freight shaker?
It really does.
It picked up some more fuel. It's definitely a fueling issue.
It 100% fuel.
Then again, I haven't checked the dinosaur juice in a long time. It might be out of oil.
Don't worry, I'll make your hooking up process as painful as possible. Alright, now plug it in. Oh, there it is. Oh, is that a fucking hawk?
Yes, ma'am.
That thing's kind of sick. Let's see if I can zoom. It won't let me because the GoPro. Look at that thing.
You didn't appreciate you going when it's supposed to.
No. All right, let's see if the 07 tree will die again. Hold on, let me get rid of my trash. We'll get out of the gate. See what she does. That didn't sound... This thing is vigorously misfiring. It doesn't change with the tune. At least the misfire carries over. Yeah, you see the shifter moving. I'm just gonna leave this rolling. It's only been on for 20 minutes.
Don't worry, she's just already dying.
Yeah, so that's full throttle. Uh-oh.
Wow.
We're in a worse spot than we were before.
Yeah, we actually had room over at the
Why is there smoke rolling out from the underside of it? You see that?
Yeah. Oh, I do now. Yeah. Come on, baby. Come on, bitch. More glow plugs. That's what she wants.
We've been driving for 30 minutes.
She needs the glow plugs, baby. Come on, you piece of shit. I'll replace you with a 12 valve. Come on.
At this point, we would have had better luck with the shit-housed pump in the 24 valve.
We could have put the Amazon pump on it last night and then
It was an option. You want to see if she has any fuel at the bowl?
yeah.
Oh, fuck. Should I call my father-in-law now or wait a minute?
I don't know, because now I think it's just an adventure to get this thing back home, let alone try and go tow fucking all of it.
Let alone trying to go get a bunch of hay?
Yeah.
Let's check her out. I love that there's people here. That's all air.
So what is the fucking problem?
Is there still fuel in the neck?
Well, we can't really do this a gallon at a time. Oh, not even a gallon.
No.
No. Shit. But I don't really want to use our funnel right here because all it did was make a huge fucking mess. We're on asphalt. That's kind of dick.
Diesel eats asphalt, so it should be fine.
That's a problem. Hold on, you just might want to record.
Hold on, let me hit the Schrader really quick to see if it'll fucking go.
Oh.
Or are you using the starter to get out of the way?
I was going to, but that'll use up quite a lot of our precious battery this month.
Here, let's see if we can get some fuel to the bull first. All right, hit it. It has fuel to the bowl when you hit the shredder, so I think you have a filter problem or a fuel pump issue. That's not good. Why do you have exhaust in your... Oh, I hope this is picking it up. Oh, dude, it is. Why is that smoking in your fuel tank?
Ford. Oh, dude. Look what's on the fucking fender. Look at all the chunkies.
Hey, isn't that supposed to be coming out the other side of the... No?
It doesn't seem to exact... Ow! 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 Get out of my cut, you fucking...
So it'll move fluid there.
Maybe it's cleaned enough to get to an O'Reilly's.
We're gonna have to find out because we only have an hour and 15 minutes to be at the pickup. We'll come back in just a second. Hopefully while we're moving.
Hopefully.
All right, so it died again. We made it that far, but we're out of the road enough.
I wanted to be out of the way and it was gonna be shutting down. So I'm now out of the way. Shit.
We are much worse off than we have been all day. Hello, car.
Goodbye, car. Fuck. I'm calling Michael.
So, we got to the side of the road. We have that crew cab up there that I just went and acquired. And then we have this crew cab here. That's an IDI, that's a Power Stroke. This is a broken Power Stroke that we are taking the hitch out of. So we can still go get our hay, eventually.
Can you jack the trailer up a little bit more?
Jack it off.
I'm trying to violate it. It doesn't
That's the wrong way. No, that's the wrong. No, that's the wrong way. So the plan is we're gonna bleed the fuel bowl to get some running, and then we're gonna back into that neighborhood. He's gonna back up in front of him. They're gonna flat tow out back to storage down there. I'm gonna hook that one to the trailer, and then they're gonna meet me back over here, and we're gonna actually go get our fucking hay with a completely different truck and a backup. We're bringing a spare this time. All right, so we got this 7.3 all hooked up, so we're ready to rock. I just watched them pull in way down there. You can kind of see them. So once they get back, we're gonna go get the hay. We're only an hour behind schedule, so oops, but we're getting it done. So this has been an adventure.
All right, so we just got here and I hit the brakes a little too hard and snapped the strap. Not good.
Tell them what happened in the parking lot out there.
Well, somebody here who has flat towed me more times than I can even count decided to just coast and like stop as he got out of the traffic, leaving me in traffic, which left a lot of slack, and I ran it over with the front right tire, which then is why it's all messed up. So I skidded into the parking lot, and then I hit the brakes really hard, so we would be parked here next to the green machine, and then it went pop. So now Tyler's on his way with the other 7.3. We're gonna go get our hay and then get it dropped off and come back and deal with this. So we'll continue our adventure here in a minute. So we just barely walked back up to the front of storage. We've got WP and the trailer hooked up now. So now Tyler is gonna take us to go get hay. So let's ride. So we've got the hay. Now we are on our way back. Let's go get it dropped off. Got some drinkies.
And then we're gonna go pick up the broken truck.
Then we have to go pick up Goldie.
And fix it.
And also fix it.
And then fix the other truck.
It's gonna be a lot of fixing crew cab Fords today.
Yes.
We'll see you when we get there.
Alright, we got the hay unloaded. Didn't get any videos because we were trying to get it done fast. So Jaden's driving us back to his broken down truck. And then we're gonna try to get it not broken down and take it back home to fix his other broken down truck. The forbidden shortcut that the last truck died on.
Oh, that trailer's really getting after it.
Rip the trailer brakes.
No, the tires can't afford it.
The tires can't afford it. You're fucking up my video. I love you. He touched my wiener. So we figured out there's a bunch of stuff from when his injector O-rings failed that ran into the fuel bowl and plugged everything it could. So we pulled the bowl out, cleaned it, the regulator, all the screens, put it all back together, and now we'll see if it dies again. We'll see what happens. How? Off. Bet you it's injector O-rings. So, I didn't know what you felt like doing. Well, this is fun. Alright, well, we're out of the gate of the storage lot. And there she sits waiting for a tow truck because it's like 104 out right now and none of us want to get in it and flat tow it, so may as well just wait.
Adventures come to an end for
the screw cab shenanigans are over. Poor Jaden. We should start a GoFundMe.
GoFundMe for Goldie.
Help buy a better truck.
That'd be funny.
Raises 60 grand. We all buy new trucks.
We all get 20 grand to go buy something.
Just not Isaiah.
Yeah, no, he gets fucking shafted in the ass. You know?
But that has nothing to do with the money.
Do you see 4 or 3 of these out together in the wild anymore?
Pretty much every time that I own one.
Yeah, that's fair.
We're all,
yeah.
Anyway.
You still own the Fummins, we have 4.
Yep. So, that's all for today's shenanigans. Because it got really late, so. Peace.